Okay, so we have a number story here, and we just talked about when we do a number story, the 4 steps are: we read it, we think about it, we plan it, we do it, and then a very important step number 5, which we're going to add right now, is check it. Okay, to make sure that it works. So our number story is: Brian scored 3 points. Jim scored 5 points. If their team scored 25 points, how many points did the rest of the team score? Well, we know that the whole team scored 25 points altogether. So I'm going to write that down, because the whole team scored 25. And I know that Brian and Jim together scored 5 and 3 points. So I'm going to write that down. 5 and 3, because this is Brian and Jim's score. So let's see, I've got 25 here, and then I've got Brian and Jim's 5 and 3. Well, I have to put this 5 and 3 in parentheses, because those two numbers I have to add together in order to continue with this problem. Now, I want to know how many the rest of the team scored. So I'm going to have to take all of the points together, which was 25, and then I'm going to have to subtract 5 and 3. So if I do this, I know that 5 plus 3 is 8, and I will have to do 25 minus 8. So I'm going to take 25, which is all the points of the team, minus 5 points for Brian, and then minus 5 more points for Jim. So I just added them together. I'm going to subtract 8 points in all. So 25 minus 8 equals 17. So the answer is 17 points. The rest of the team, which means the other players on the team, somehow scored 17 points altogether.